So as I said, suspended inspiration should be there. Then where is the centering ray you do? So centering ray will be at the level of 7th thoracic vertebra, the approximately inferior angle of the scapula. When you do the positioning, the both scapula, between the both scapula inferior angle. So that is at the level of 7th thoracic vertebra. This is already during landmark I had explained to you people. So okay, should be kept 7th thoracic vertebra. Sometime there are certain some books and all also is mentioned about uh, 4th vertebra. Usually whenever we talk, whenever during exams, you can also write 4th thoracic vertebra, because here whenever chest x-ray PA we will take to see about the heart, to avoid magnification and all. Always it's better to have a at the level of 4th thoracic vertebra. If you wanted to see mediastinum, the whole length of the whole lung of the, because we during, if you kept it 7th thoracic vertebra, you magnification heart cannot be avoided. That's the reason. Then collimation should be well collimation. We are able to include all the uh, at the level of acromioclavicular joint to 12th rib should be able to include. So orientation, cassette orientation already I told you. Yeah, we can keep it portrait or landscape. So usually male patient with the adult, if it comes, it's always better to have a practice of keeping the portrait. So landscape usually for the female patient, because their lungs usually be smaller than the male. So that's what detector size or cassette size. You can see 35 into 43 or 43 into 35 centimeter. So exposure technique, you can give 100 to 100 10 kVp with 4 to 8 ms. This is the high kVp technique. There are some places they will take the radiography with the nearly around 50 to 60 kVp and 10 to 12 or 10 to 15 mas. So always better to have a high kVp technique. That's exposure factor will be always kVp will be high, ms will be less. When we take a high kVp technique, that's always kVp will be so high, ms will be very less. So SID already told, that is a 6 feet distance will be kept for the chest X-ray PA. Yeah, grid we will use usually most of the time, most of the places grid will be used. Somewhere even in our department, one or two radiography department, there will be no grid. So usually in digital radiography we are using with the grid. So what is the image technical evaluation? The entire lung field should be visible from the apex of the lung to costophoric angle. The chin should not be superimposed in any structures. That's the reason we ask the patient their chin to keep it at the top of the bucky. So arm should not be not be superimposed over a lateral chest of wall, so that if it is arm or scapula, those things are overlapped, means there will be chances of hiding the any lesion, so it should be avoided. So that's the reason we'll ask the patient to flex their knee, flex their arm, and keep it at the waist level, and the wrist will be kept at the hand will be kept at the waist level. Then we will fold it forwardly. So that is the reason. So sternoclavicular joint should be equidistant from the spinous process. In the previous class I told you people the spinous, how we will decide that this patient is oblique, I mean angulated or not. So that should be seen. Then both the clavicle should be horizontal plane. So the maximum 10 posterior ribs are usually above the diaphragm. In previous class I told you in the class minimum the full length of 7th rib should be seen. So that is the one thing. Then ribs and thoracic cage are will be faintly seen over the heart, because you should not obstruct any the exposure factors. You should not obstruct any pathology related to lung. So marking always better to have, I told you in a previous class, always better to have a mark right or left side. What are the common faults and remedies? Common fault, already told you, the scapula sometimes overlap in the lung field. Sometimes aged patient above 60 years and all comes, they, for them is arm flexing and keeping it the waist level is not possible. So that time what you can do, you can ask the patient to their arm encircling the vertical bucky. I mean it's like a hugging shape. You can ask the patient to hug the vertical bucky so that the scapula can be avoided the overlapping on the lung field. So the another thing, rotation of the patient. See, whenever you make ask the patient to stand, it's better to have their foot, what they're keeping the foot on the floor, it should be not so close or not so wide. It should be kept minimum gap between around on half feet, so that patient will be comfortably able to stand with the without any movement. So that's always better to have a practice. So, and at the same time, and the breath hold technique, I told you already, breath hold technique always to have on rehearsal before you exposing to the radiography. So, so what and all notes you should consider during a radiography, what and all consideration you should have. Careful patient preparation is essential. I already told you, should not just radiography should not mix up with any other patient, and radio opaque object should be removed before examination, and a marker should be kept so that you can avoid the tachycardia. So that's always important. So right or left always should be confirmed. So always when you take a chest radiography, always heart will be in the left side. If it is the right side is there, yeah, you go repeat the radiography or confirm your marker. Right or left marker should be confirmed. So hair, those I already told you, hair where should be folded, how should be kept. So avoid the overlapping, it will create an artifact. And exposure should be properly given. If it is any suspected emphysema is there, means exposure should be given less, because the lung field is very thin. So that time it should be given a very lower factors. Then always better to have expiration. If it is you are asking sometime, is there are certain indications expiration technique is required. You will ask the patient to not taking a deep breath, you will ask the patient to breathe out and hold it, then you will expose. That time always better to have a little more extra KVP, because that movement you will be concentrating on ribs. So maybe mass lesion or a radiopaque material. So that's the reason. So thank you so much for listening all the today's chest X-ray PA classes. And further I'll be taking about chest X-ray AP in next class. Read well about this, is one of the important, and you get many of questions from this topic. Be a brief in this topic. You can refer Clark positioning or Melis Plus.